Beneath a dome where light dances in ethereal patterns, we find ourselves in the enigmatic embrace of the Louvre Abu Dhabi, a sanctuary where art and history merge. As we meander through the labyrinth of galleries, each turn reveals a new chapter of humanity's story. Ancient artifacts converse with modern marvels, a testament to our enduring quest for beauty and understanding. Every corridor, every shadow, speaks of civilizations that rose and fell, of artists who dared to dream beyond their time. The gentle hum of the sea, cradling the museum, adds to the mystique, reminding us that we are but a fleeting moment in the grand tapestry of time. We carry with us the echoes of history, the beauty of art, in the indelible imprint of an unforgettable journey through the annals of human creativity.